You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type of mechanism, a name originally from Greek. If you want to learn more names from ancient Greece, mythology, philosophy, stay tuned. English pronunciation: Antikythera. It's from Greek, so it's usually pronounced anti, not anti. Antikythera. How to pronounce English pronunciation: Antikythera. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.